Hi, welcome to AIMS. Uh, in this video, we are going to explain and discuss the reception, which is the main part of an institution. So first of all, we are going to do the reception setup. If we click on the reception setup, you can see these four tabs here. So visitors, normally if someone comes and visits your institute, there must be a purpose. So we need to add first the purposes. So add purpose, I will say admission inquiry. Copy that and paste in the description and save and close. Add another staff meeting, copy and paste here, save and close. Add one more, parent teachers meeting, copy and paste it, save and close. So here are the options, actions. You can edit and delete any of them. If you want to print them, so you can print from here. That will be for your office record or filings. The next one is complaint type. So what kind of complaints can come? So we can add complaint from here. Complaint type. So students complain. You can see that as a complaint management. Society complaint. Save and close. Staff complaint. And save and close. So these are the complaints we added. So in the actions you can edit or delete them, and from print options you can print them for your record. Source. So what source you can use to have the admissions, or like any source you can add. So I will add source. So I will say staff source. Add another one, uh, advertisement. We'll put just one, general. So you know better sources of your institution. So these are the sources. We had same edit and delete and print options. Last one is a reference. So a reference is staff reference. And I will just put general reference. You can add as per your requirements. Save and close. So that's how we set up the uh, reception, which we will need these things further doing the reception management, reception menu. So that's how we are setting up the reception. Thank you very much.